Hey guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors, and today we're gonna plasti dip that hood. Well, at least like attempt to. But let me show you what I've done so far with the plasti dip, and we'll go from there.
Oh yeah, hey guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you guys can stay in the loop with what's going on with the channel.
All right guys, so forgive the wind, it's pretty windy right now. I'm gonna wait till it gets a little less windy, but I wanna show you what I've done so far and what I wanna do. So it looks like this part right here, I'm gonna plasti dip, and then this part right here. So we're gonna leave this part the Sonic Gray. I wanna check that out and see how that looks. So we've done the door handles, we've done the gas cap, done the Civic badge. You need to touch this up, and I've done this badge here. Did the door handles on the other side. You guys have seen the logos that I put on the car. Oh yeah, it's really windy. I'm gonna have to wait, but hopefully we can get this done today because it's a beautiful day. It's like 71 degrees. And BLP3 Motors, subscribe. Since it's pretty windy outside, I've done like a little makeshift. I'm gonna cover this up a little bit, but we're gonna try to do this kind of like halfway in the garage a little bit, and I may pull it in a little more. If it's gonna be bad, I gotta do some touch-up cleaning, and then we're just gonna try it. We're gonna see how it looks, and if we don't like it, we'll peel it off. That is the awesome magic of plasti dip. But this is so ghetto. BLP3 Motors. So as you can see, I put on a super light coat, and we'll see how it goes, guys. This is the first little deal. So we're at about 4 coats. I'm gonna do one more coat, and then we're gonna call it good. But I'm excited to take a look and see what the heck this looks like. I'm hoping the lines are gonna be okay. If they're screwed up, I may keep them for a while, but you know what? It was worth at least trying once. So, yeah. Plasti dip. Boom. Well, guys, I tried to pull it off while it was wet, and couldn't quite get the lines. So I'm gonna have to peel this all off again. So that's it for the video. This was the first attempt, and it was a bust. But I'm liking the matte black on it. You live and you learn.